Okay guys, so this is my attempt of doing something a little bit different and do a voiceover of my course 1 of Eurocrawl 2024 in Italy. It's course 1, I already passed gate 1. This course was relatively easy, probably one of the easiest courses of the day, and yeah, gate 1 was quite straightforward. On gate 2, I tried to go a bit more to the right, and then I used a little bit of the servo, pushing it to the right side to drag me over. On this gate, I push the front of the car to the left, so I could easy, easier for me to just drag the front in line, because the gap was not as big on the left side. So with the dig, you can manipulate the car like that. Um, this is gate 4 was easy, but gate 5 was tricky, so I had to worry about the placement of the rear axle so it doesn't fall on the floor, and then get really tight to that left side gate, and the rear axle will drop to the right and just help me through it. Gate 6 was probably the trickiest gate. It was, you didn't have grip, so you had to push a little bit that front, and I wiggle to get some grip, and once I got it, I turned to the left, and I even asked the judge like if it was okay or not, or if I touch it, and it was okay. It cleared from looking for another angle. From another angle, it cleared quite well. Here, this is a bonus gate. It was really easy to drop the car to against that left rock and then be wedged in a world of pain, but I managed to clear that one as well. Go up. I tend to drive quite fast through the courses. This is another bonus, and here I could have gone on the left side and it was easier to climb, but I went this route because I wanted my rear axle to be as far to the right side as possible. So I wanted actually to drag there. And here you'll be watching me manipulate the rear axle. So pushing the front with the rear axle, trying to make it spin and getting out of place. Here I'm not managing it. I put in my high settings, so I have more control of that rear axle, more acceleration. Here is the perfect spot. I rotate that axle and off I go. Still manipulating it, making sure it's all good. The exit from this bonus was, I got a bit out of shape. I tried twice, but no problem. We take the dirt roads, a bit of drifting or four-wheel drifting, which is not drifting, but anyway. To this next gate, I go to the lower end because it was the gap was smaller, and I go for the side hill. I could have gone, you see where that red arrow is, I could have gone straight up, and I think it was Lucas Klapper that did just that, and it was totally doable. In fact, in the final we'll do a very similar gate. Quick work of that, up to gate 8, which again, not so bad. Um, Drop down, and in the competition you always try to go for the easiest solution and fastest solution, not necessarily the shortest or the gnarliest, so you have to play your cards right and plan ahead. Here on the last gate I'll go more to the right side because the gap was smaller. So here I'm manipulating the car in a way that goes straight on, and then off you go. And that was course number 1.